Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not eligible for TikTok accounts. To get started, you want to go ahead and open your TikTok application. So once you're here, what you want to do is to click on the sign up button. Then you want to click on sign up. You want to click on use phone or email. Alright, you want to enter the name and click on next. Two reasons could be why TikTok has refused to allow you sign up an account on their platform. So one of them is age. If you are finding it difficult to sign in, that means you are below the age of 16 and TikTok won't allow you, okay? What you want to do is to click this question mark sign here and you want to go to other, and they're going to ask you, is your problem resolved? You want to say no, that I need more help. And now they're going to ask you, tell us your feedback, and you have to let them know that you are above the age of 16. And also in this message, you want to make sure you include your email address, okay? That way they'll be able to contact you if they want to give you a reply. All right, so once you're done typing your report, you want to go ahead and click on the report button here, and that'll send your feedback to them. Guys, this is how to fix not eligible for TikTok accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.